Alright, so hey guys, welcome to another. Let me turn my music down. Alright, hey guys, and welcome back to another video. This is actually the first video I'm doing that I'm sitting down and talking to you guys. I'm actually in my closet because I decided to start recording in my closet now because it's super comfy in here. And this behind me is actually a puzzle that my boyfriend and I did, and I really like it, so I decided to just put it in the background. Anyway, so today I'm coming to you with a review actually. So if you're interested in learning about an aromatherapy essential oil necklace, keep watching.
Where the Tommy come on, sit there. Where the SM crew and Tiga baby, yeah. Cause we don't want a foreign gal, no boring gal. We don't want a foreign gal, annoying gal. We don't want a foreign gal, no boring gal.
Alright, so the necklace I'm going to be talking about today is an aromatherapy essential oil necklace, and it's actually one by Anjou. I think that's how you say it. It's Anjou. I'm bad at pronunciations. Anyways, so this is it, and I actually got this for Christmas, and I've been using it for a while. I just hadn't come with the video because I wanted to make sure of what I was saying, and I don't want to recommend something that's not good. So it came you know, well packaged and everything. It came with actually six bottles of essential oils. But today we're going to be using the tea tree oil. So this is how the necklace comes. See, it's a really nice long cord, and it's actually a locket. So I'm bad at opening stuff. So you just open it, and then you can put the little sponges in. And it comes with a lot of little sponges actually. So, you can change color, go your outfit. I'm kind of obsessed with this color these days. It's like a yellow color. I'm kind of obsessed with it these days. So this is a color that I've been using for quite a while. I really love this necklace. So all you do is you open the locket, and you open your essential oil, and you just put a few drops. I like to put like 2-3 drops. So 2-3 drops. And then you just close it, and it stays scented for a pretty long time actually. So once you close it, you put it on, and then that's it. You have a nice necklace that smells really good. And I love tea tree oil. I keep talking about it. I put it in my hair, I put it on my skin sometimes. Like when I just first, not to get off topic, but when I first pierced my nose, I had it pierced on this side actually. And the when I had it pierced, it used to get like infected and stuff. You know how nose rings get. And I used tea tree oil around it. But then eventually I took it out, and then I re-pierced this side. And I haven't had any issues with this side. Anyways, back to the video. So I'm getting comfy. As I said, I'm in my closet just talking to you guys about this fabulous necklace. Alright, so you see it's really nice and long. And the cord is actually adjustable, so you can make it shorter if you want to. But this is how I like to wear it. And it smells pretty good for a good couple of days. And then if you want, you can refresh it with some more. Or you can change the pad, change the color if you want to. But I like to keep this one. That's just how I get sometimes when I get like obsessed over colors. But yeah, so this necklace is really good for many reasons. So, essential oils, they're very soothing. So if you're just feeling, a little down, you can get a nice scent that, will keep you up and keep you smiling. Because, when you just smell something really good, you just can't help but smile. So that's one thing I love about essential oils. And especially when I'm writing, I like to have something nice smelling while I'm writing. Because I spend a lot of time writing, majority of my time spent writing. So I really like to have something smelling nice. So that's one benefit of it. Another benefit is if you're stuffy, if you have a cold or anything, you're gonna you could put some tea tree, some eucalyptus oil. That's very good. You could just put that in there, and you just have it, walking around the office. And it's better than any kind of Vicks or anything that you would rub on your skin, you know. And another great thing about it is that you just smell good. You just smell good, you know. You just walk out and you just be smelling good. You be popping. You be smelling good. So I really love this necklace, and I just thought I'll come, make a quick video and share it for you guys. So I'm gonna leave the link below. It's my just trying to change over what I eat, what I do, trying to change over my mental state, and I'm just trying to be healthy. I'm trying to live a very long life. Okay? So I'm just doing things that benefit me, you know. But let me warn you guys. So this is a story. So I wore this into the sauna because I'm also working out these days. I wore this into the sauna and I was feeling something burning. I'm like, what's happening? Why is my neck burning? Come to find out, it was this. It got so hot. It got so, because even my phone sometimes overheats in the sauna, and this got so hot, guys. It got so hot, and I had to take it off. So don't wear it in the sauna. All right, and I mean, it's a pretty good necklace. I have all good things to say about it. And as I said, it's affordable. It comes nicely packaged. You get about 6 bottles. 6 bottles. But I gave my mom some. I gave my mom the others. We get 6 bottles of essential oil. And yeah. And you can change the pads, as I said before. And yeah. All right. Thanks for watching. And if you do check it out, you can always come back and just let me know what you think about it. All right. See ya. Bye.